How to hide highlights on Instagram without deleting. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Here you can see the highlights over here. So just tap on the highlights and tap on three dotted lines at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the remove from highlight option. So as you tap on remove from highlight, you can see you can remove the photo, but you'll be able to see this photo in your archive. You can delete it permanently from archive though. So just tap on remove photo. Now as you do that, you can see you can just refresh the page and the highlight is no more. But we're going to tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner, then tap on archive section, and here under the stories archive, you'll be able to see your story over here that you had highlighted. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.